Most UK homeowners don't think about their roof until water is literally dripping onto their furniture. But your roof gives off warning signs long before it fails. The trick is knowing where to look before a minor repair becomes a full replacement. If you spot any of these signs today, your roof's expiry date might be closer than you think. Sign 1. The gutter sand trap. Next time you clear your gutters, look past the leaves. Do you see a layer of sand or stone granules at the bottom? For shingle or modern tile roofs, that sand is the protective coating. Once it washes into your gutters, your roof is bald, meaning the sun and rain will brittle the material in months, not years. Sign 2. The daylight test. You don't even need to go outside for this one. Head into your loft on a bright day and turn off the lights. If you see pinpricks of daylight peeking through the rafters, you don't just have a light problem, you have a water entry point. If light can get in, wind-driven rain can get in. It's only a matter of time before that small gap leads to structural rot. Sign 3. Sagging and dips. Step back into the street and look at the ridge, the very top line of your roof. It should be straight as an arrow. If you see a dip or a sway in the middle of the roof, it's a sign of a structural issue. This could be caused by water-damaged timber or even the wrong type of tile being used for the weight of the frame. Sign 4. Cracked mortar and flashing. In the UK, we rely heavily on mortar and lead. Check the valleys and the base of your chimney. Is the mortar crumbling away? Is the lead flashing buckled or cracked? These are the joints of your roof, and if the joints fail, the whole system is compromised. Don't gamble with the weather. Spotting these signs early is the difference between a quick maintenance job and a £10,000 replacement. Don't wait for the next big storm to find out if your roof is up to the task. If you've spotted any of these red flags, click the link below. We offer a professional roof health check to give you total peace of mind. Protect your home. Start with the roof.